those arms sticking out like that. She lays on her front paws, her back legs are up, they're just like a turkey.
That'd be funny.
Remember Flat Fanny?
Oh yeah.
Baby
Princess used to do that.
All right, is what
This dog
she
needs
is.
a nose ring and she'll be better. Look
She's
at her. Isn't she sweet? She looks
She's
so much like
pretty.
Shadow.
She's pretty. Yes, she's pretty.
And that's where her and Morgan compete.
She's
Girl,
pretty.
Martha.
She's one of the girls.
She is a girl.
She's one of the girls.
She is a girl.
I'm not hot.
Look at her. She's so proud. She's standing up like,
Good. Here she is.
She could go over that fence just like that anytime she went in the backyard. She gets out there and sees something and she'll stand up.
Uh-huh.
She'll stand up and she'll be standing with her paws on top of the fence looking around. Looks like she's that tall, you know? She's a big girl.
She's
she's just like Shadow. Paul would get so upset with Jan. Remember Paul and Shadow? Jan would say, it looks like Paul's getting along better with Shadow, and he'd have her by the neck and go, don't mess with me, Shadow, don't mess with me.
She's a beauty.
Oh, did you video that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh no, Paul will hear it. Don't, can you cut that part out? Seriously, that would upset Paul.
Oh,
This is
okay.
where you can see the huff and puff.
45, 28.